We could find our purpose in saving the world, or in rescuing a dog, in being a man, or a woman, or just being. Maybe love is your medicine, or laughter your aphrodisiac. Maybe crypto is your currency, and doing nothing your religion. Or you could unmute, be a fighter, be an activist or an influencer, a superhero, a lover or a loner. You could dream in NFTs, suck at math, succeed at Shark Tank. You could hang loose or hug tight, be bold or boring, be red, be green or white. No matter who you are or what you do, be comfortable with yourself. Because there's nothing more fashionable than wearing your own skin. Cottonworld, it's my freaking nature.